Ever wondered if your cat perceives you as just a giant furry companion or something more complex? Welcome to the intriguing world of feline perceptions, where we attempt to unlock the mysteries of how our feline friends view us. It's a topic that has fascinated cat lovers and scientists alike for years. We cohabit with these creatures, we feed them, pet them, and in return, they grace us with their presence, occasional affection, and let's not forget their undeniable charm. But how do they see us? Are we just oversized, clumsy cats in their eyes, or do they recognize our distinct species difference? Common beliefs suggest that cats view us as giant, non-hostile cats. This theory is based on the observation of certain cat behaviors that are similar to how they interact with other cats. For example, the slow blink cats give us is the same kitty kiss they give to their feline friends, or the fact that they bring us their catch of the day, be it a toy, a sock, or for the outdoor cats among us, something a bit more natural. This behavior is usually reserved for their fellow cats as a sign of trust and camaraderie. However, are these behaviors indicative of their perception, or are we simply anthropomorphizing their actions, attributing human characteristics to non-human entities? Could it be that cats understand that we are a different species altogether, but choose to interact with us in ways that are natural to them? This is a question that has intrigued scientists and led to various studies. The findings of these studies are not only fascinating, but also challenge the way we think about our furry companions. So, are you ready for a dive into the world of feline perceptions, where we'll explore the science behind how cats see us, whether they recognize us as their owners, and the emotional bond between cats and humans? Science has been digging into this feline mystery, and the findings might surprise you. The way cats perceive humans is more than just a simple meow. There's a whole science to it that's been carefully studied and analyzed over the years. Recent research suggests that cats perceive us differently than we might have thought. While we might see ourselves as their caregivers, their perception of us is a bit more complex. A study conducted at the University of Lincoln in the United Kingdom suggests that cats don't necessarily see us as a parent figure. Instead, they view us more as equals, independent and self-sufficient, much like themselves. In this study, researchers observed the behavior of cats and their human companions in different scenarios. They found that while dogs looked to their owners for safety and guidance in unfamiliar situations, cats did not. Cats treated these situations with curiosity and self-reliance, indicating that they see their human companions not as protectors, but as equals. Another intriguing study from the University of Tokyo explored how cats react to their owners' emotions. The researchers found that cats can read human facial expressions, and they modify their behavior based on what they perceive. For instance, if a cat's human companion appears happy, the cat is more likely to spend time near them and purr. This goes to show that cats are quite attuned to human emotions and behaviors. They're not just passive observers in our lives, they're active participants, engaging with us on a level that we might not fully comprehend. These studies challenge the age-old belief that cats are aloof and indifferent to their human companions. In reality, it seems that our feline friends are more perceptive and emotionally intelligent than we've given them credit for. So, next time your cat saunters into the room and jumps onto your lap, know that there's more going on in their furry little heads than you might think. Cats aren't just seeing us as big, clumsy cats. Their perception is a bit more sophisticated. Does your cat know you from a stranger, or are all humans the same to them? It's a question that has puzzled many a cat owner, leading to a slew of research studies aiming to uncover the truth. So, do cats recognize their owners? The short answer is yes, they do. But let's dive a little deeper into the science behind this fascinating feline fact. In a study published in the journal Animal Cognition, researchers found that cats are capable of recognizing their owners' voices. When they heard their owners' voices among strangers' voices, the cats reacted more strongly. They moved their heads or ears in response, indicating that they recognized the familiar sound. However, it's interesting to note that while they recognized their owners' voices, they didn't necessarily come running. This is believed to be due to the independent and somewhat aloof nature of cats, rather than a lack of recognition. In addition to recognizing their owners' voices, cats are also able to distinguish their owners by sight. In another study, cats were shown pictures of their owners alongside pictures of strangers. The cats spent significantly more time looking at their owners' photos, suggesting a visual recognition. Furthermore, cats can even recognize their owner's scent. A study conducted in Sweden showed that cats could identify their owner's scent from that of strangers. When presented with a cloth carrying their owner's scent and one with a stranger's scent, cats preferred to spend time near the cloth with their owner's scent. So, it's clear that cats are capable of recognizing their owners. But it's not just about the physical or auditory cues. Cats also form emotional bonds with their owners, and these bonds can enhance their recognition abilities. They associate their owners with feelings of safety, comfort, and of course, food. In conclusion, despite their reputation for being aloof and independent, cats do have a deep sense of recognition for their owners. They can distinguish their owners from strangers based on sight, sound, and smell. So, next time your cat seems to ignore your call, remember they're not being rude, they're just being cats. Our feline friends do recognize us, and not only by our looks but also by our voices. But do cats actually form emotional bonds with their human companions? This question has intrigued animal behaviorists and cat lovers alike for years. Recent scientific studies have begun to explore this fascinating aspect of feline behavior. What they've discovered is that our feline friends are far more emotionally complex than we might have initially imagined. One study, conducted by researchers at Oregon State University, observed the interactions between kittens and their human caregivers. The findings were quite astounding. The kittens demonstrated behaviors indicative of secure attachment. This means that they saw their human caregivers as a safe base from which they could explore their environment, much like a toddler does with their parents. Another study from the University of Lincoln in the UK further supports this, finding that cats don't necessarily view their human companions as a source of safety. Instead, they see us as a social partner. When given the choice, many cats chose to spend time with humans over food or toys. These findings challenge the stereotype of the lone, independent cat. Instead, they suggest that cats are capable of forming deep emotional bonds with their human companions. And just like humans, cats can have a range of attachment styles. Some may be more independent, while others may be more clingy or affectionate. Of course, every cat is unique, and their relationships with their human companions can vary significantly. Factors such as the cat's early experiences, their personality, and the quality of their interactions with their human companion all play a role in shaping these bonds. So, next time you see your cat sauntering towards you, tail held high, take a moment to appreciate the depth of the emotional connection you share. It's not just about being a source of food or a scratching post. To your cat, you are a trusted companion, a source of comfort, and an integral part of their social world. Yes, cats do form emotional bonds with us, challenging the stereotype of the aloof, independent cat. Cats are known for their independent nature, but how do they behave socially with humans? Well, let's delve into some fascinating research that has been conducted on this very topic. The world of cat behavior science is as intriguing as our feline companions themselves. A study by the Oregon State University found that cats can form secure or insecure bonds with their human caretakers, much like children and dogs. This study showed that cats are capable of forming social bonds with humans that are far more complex than previously thought. Cats, it seems, are not merely solitary, aloof creatures, but ones that can form deep and meaningful relationships. Further research has shown that cats adapt their behavior in response to the actions of their human companions. For example, a study published in the journal Animal Cognition found that cats are more likely to eat, play, and engage in social behavior when their human companions are present and attentive. Moreover, cats seem to have a keen sense of human emotions. In a Japanese study, it was discovered that cats could distinguish between different human emotional expressions. This shows that cats are not only aware of human presence, but can also respond to our emotional states. Most cat owners have observed this social flexibility firsthand. Your cat may curl up on your lap when you're feeling down, or it might playfully pounce on your toes when you're in a lively mood. This adaptability is a testament to the deep bond that can form between humans and cats. However, it's important to remember that while cats can adapt their behavior to ours, they also retain their unique feline characteristics. Cats still maintain their independence and have their own ways of communicating affection and trust. For example, a slow blink from a cat is often a sign of trust and affection, a kind of feline "I love you." In conclusion, cats are far more socially adaptable than we might think. They exhibit a surprising level of attunement to human behavior, showing us that the bond between humans and cats is as complex and rewarding as any other. Cats are more socially adaptable than we might think, showing a surprising level of attunement to human behavior. So, what does all this tell us about how cats perceive humans? Well, we've journeyed through a fascinating exploration of the feline world, and what we've discovered might just surprise you. From the science behind our cats' perceptions to their unique social behaviors, we've unraveled some of the mysteries surrounding these enchanting creatures. Let's start by revisiting the idea of recognition. It's clear that cats, contrary to some beliefs, do recognize their owners. They're capable of distinguishing us from others based on various cues, such as our voice, scent, and possibly even our unique patterns of movement. This recognition extends beyond the physical, as cats also seem to be able to sense our moods and respond accordingly. But recognition is just one aspect of the complex relationship between cats and humans. We've also delved into the emotional bonds that cats can form with us. While they may not express their affection in the same way we humans do, cats do form attachments to their human companions. They show signs of comfort and security in our presence, indicating a level of emotional connection that's truly heartwarming. Perhaps one of the most intriguing findings we've discussed is the social flexibility of cats. Unlike their canine counterparts, cats are not pack animals. Yet, they've managed to adapt to a social structure that's quite foreign to their natural instincts. They've learned to cohabitate with us, communicate with us, and even, in their own feline way, cooperate with us. What does all this mean for us cat lovers? Well, it's a testament to the deep, multifaceted relationships we can have with our feline friends. It challenges us to look beyond the aloof, independent stereotype often associated with cats, and to appreciate their unique ways of expressing their bond with us. It's a reminder that every purr, every slow blink, and every playful pounce is a part of a rich tapestry of interaction that's woven between cat and human. And perhaps most importantly, it's a call to treat our feline companions with the respect and understanding they deserve, to recognize that they're not just pets, but sentient beings with their own perceptions, emotions, and social behaviors, to appreciate the depth of their intelligence and the sophistication of their adaptability. The world of cats is complex and enchanting, filled with mysteries that we're only just beginning to unravel. As we continue to learn more about these incredible creatures, we're constantly reminded of their capacity for connection and their unique place in our lives. Our feline friends see us as more than just giant furballs. They recognize us, bond with us, and adapt to us, showing a level of sophistication that truly challenges our understanding of these mysterious creatures.